any website, first of all, indexing for search engine purpose, we have to submit the URL will be Google and Bing search engine website. The option name is called, one is called Google Webmaster, second will be Bing Webmaster. So they will support by the index URL by the Bing and Google search engine. So first of all, in this, select your website. Select your website. First of all, what are the new link will be here? What are the new link will be here? You can update by particular websites. In this, you can go for particular video. Select the video will be here. Select it. Admin panel, video tutorial. Add video. Copy the URL. Give me some content. This is the content. First, submit. Once submit this one, select here, come into this for the particular video tutorial. They post option here. Is it clear? I can copy this URL. Now check it out here, particular things. And main important is called. So what are the link will be create? The properly create or not, you can check it out. Is it clear? How to connect Facebook, Instagram and Instagram to Facebook business page. We're writing for proper URL. First check information is the proper URL is there or not. Any question mark, full stop, anything, don't add the particular URL extension option. After that, indexing. The showing index will be here, anything? Any website will showing here? No. Now I can start by indexing. First of all, copy this URL. Go to Google Webmaster. The option name is called URL inspection. Paste it. Every new URL to submit by the Google indexing. The option name is called Google Webmaster. The name is URL inspection. What showing for? URL is not in Google. Now requesting for index. So this is a process for every webmaster. So if I'm not doing for Google Webmaster, what happened? You're generating organic traffic little bit late. You can go for social media traffic. Without index, how to promote the keyword? So link is not showing for Google. How is the promoting? It's impossible. So after promoting, we get the link. So before that, the link will be indexed on your search engine option, compulsory required. The option is called Google Webmaster. Take your website. Option name is called URL inspection. So index will be started here. It take time for 1 minute to 3 minutes of time. Or 2 minutes, less than 1 minute. That depend on your indexing process. Request will be done. After got it. What happened? Indexing will be request. After indexing will be request, go for text live URL. In this live URL. Index will be there. And remember, what are the index will be done before? What are the parameter using for without on page title description keyword? Without doing for this three option, don't index your webmaster. If without H1 alt tag anything, we can change. But title description keyword more important. After changing H1 tag, alt tag is no issues. But before any uploading in the content, first of all, title description keyword is more important. And after doing this one, indexing, we can do for refresh for the 5 times using for F5 and control F5. Is it clear? The index process will be less than 1 hour time. Next, Bing Webmaster. Select your website. Here, configure. Submit the URL here. First, you can initially they will accept 10. After the initial be accepted by 10,000 per day, you can submit links. How many links you want, you can there submit by here. Any new link will be here. About services. And then we can submit it. When you're based on the submission, here, there's nothing will be there. Just you can submit the URL, the understanding for search engine services. We'll go for bing.com. You can go for Bing search engine. The Bing webmaster will supporting for Bing search engine. So index your website will be based on the keyword will be search. So now I'm going for bing.com. Every link is a regular task, not only one day. New link will be created, new page will be created. First, it has a minimum two links. One is Google Webmaster, second will be Bing Webmaster. Means to improve by your links will be search engine purpose. Now people searching for digital marketing company model. Here, the people will be showing for particular things to the ads. So like, so any website will be here. They're showing for particular website in this option. Showing or not? This is the indexing for where Bing search engine purpose. This is our URLs. How many URLs you want is submitted by the Bing webmaster. Any new link and existing link also. You can copy this one, paste it. When you can submit also, they will be show the results in the below. It's not only for one day task, it's a regular task. Is a regular task. Is it clear? So this is the search and submission for Google and Bing Webmaster. And Google Webmaster will be URL inspection, Bing will be submit the URLs. Please note on it.